You guys know that I just had lipo on my neck, so I am all about making sure that this neck and this jawline stays tight. So these are a little defined lifting face mask. So the way that works, okay, sorry phone, stop being so noisy and rude. I'm just gonna put it on, show you how I wear it, what I think about it, on all the things. So yeah, you just open it up, obviously. Let's talk about this. The first thing that I noticed when I pull something out of a package is the smell. The smell of this is phenomenal. It smells like roses and deliciousness. So, oh, and it matches my nails. Oh! Yes! So, I've got this little guy and it's got a little, I don't know if you can see on the camera. Oh, there you go. It's got a clear plastic film on it. So I'm just gonna pull that off and throw it away. So the idea behind this, I'll get it up the right way. Okay, this is gonna look ridiculous. So normally you would take your makeup off, okay, but like, look, bitch is busy, so we're not gonna do that. Okay, wait, hang on, let me just, it's this way. The bottom bit is for your neck, this bit here, and the top bit is for your face. So the idea is you can stretch it a little bit, but like, don't go crazy, okay? Don't go crazy. I'm gonna tuck my hair behind my ears. And all you gotta do is literally just up. Oh no, my hair. Up! And over the ears. See how my ear is like flicked out? We kind of don't want that. So if you need to stretch it a little more so that doesn't happen, that's what you gotta do is this. So I'm gonna stretch this one a little more, up and over my ear. Make sure that the bottom is all secure. Oh, I am feeling elite. And then there you go. It's literally that simple. So this you leave on for 30 to 60 minutes. So if you're like watching a movie at home, do all your skincare, treat yourself, make yourself feel fresh, and then just chuck this on. So what this is gonna do is help with your little flabby neck. Little turkey neck lady. So yeah, as you age, obviously you guys, you know, we've talked about this 1,000 times, but you lose collagen in your face. So what this does is it helps with amino acids by boosting that collagen back up, and it's gonna essentially help with the skin tightening. So the skin will then stay tight and firm around your neck so that you don't end up with that horrible turkey old gobble neck. My grandma has that and I always tease her for it. So we will be doing everything we can to avoid being like gobble, 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 gobble. But yeah, so yeah, pop this one on, leave it on, and it is good to go. So these are $13.99, which is super, super cheap. But you can buy them in packs of 5 and 5 for $50. Just to put that into perspective, I know Huda Beauty does one of these in fluoro green. Oh, let me just take that off. Oh, yes, there we go. Huda Beauty does one of these in green, and it's very, very similar, but it's like 2 or 3 times the price. Sorry, what? We're a gal about town and we're a girl on a budget, so this is where it's at. Honestly guys, overall I've been really, really happy with all the products that I have tried from CURVESCULPTING. Their stuff is really cool and really affordable, so I would definitely go and check out their website. I'll leave it down below so that you can not only see it on the screen, but I'll pop it in the description box so you can just click and zoop, off you go. And their Instagram as well. Make sure that you have checked that out because it is a vibe. That's all I've got for you today. If you haven't already given the CURVESCULPTING team a follow, here's their Instagram again. Go give them a follow. Go give them a love. Give them some love.